He died.
Bad dog, look at that, right on Ned's lawn. Now, how could you do such a thing? Now, bad dog, I condemn you to hell.
Better get the old snow shovel back from Homer, huh?
Good boy. Don't stop the music.
Marge Simpson, still making Jeeps the old-fashioned way?
No, I've got sun in my hair. Oh, it's right. An hour long lemon juice, hot sauce,
Oh, this is my dad, but you can really see him.
No, my scalp hurts from horsefly bite.
Why don't you freeze it tonight and hit it with a hammer? Works for me when I get bubbly gum in the old push broom.
That sounds okay.
Mash more hair into it. Oh well.
These cubes are useless, man. Two adults.
Have you heard about this?
Have you tried a box squid? They can suck the bolts out of a submarine's hull. Alright, Bangori.
Sure.
Shot. I can give you the name of a good gum and hair man.
I have a word of advice.
Leave it in as evidence.
Man, my puppet's forming a Düsseldorf.
Seven.
What makes Wendy's baby far away? Wendy don't get the party stuffed right.